The heat is outside, it's inside. It feels inescapable. But what if I told you that you're probably cooling your house the wrong way? Today we're going to master passive cooling. These are 5 eco-friendly hacks that can drop your indoor temperature by up to 10 degrees without using a single watt of air conditioning. Most people open their windows the moment it feels hot. Stop. If the air outside is hotter than the air inside, you're just inviting the heat in. Keep windows, blinds, and curtains closed tight during the day. You want to create a thermal envelope. Only open them when the sun goes down and the outside air is cooler. For the best result, use cross ventilation. Open a window on the ground floor and another on the opposite side of the upper floor. This creates a chimney effect, pulling the hot air up and out. Fans don't actually cool air, they just move it over your skin to help sweat evaporate. To actually lower the temp, place a shallow bowl of ice or a frozen water bottle directly in front of the fan. This creates a DIY evaporative cooler, blowing chilled air across the room. Look at your plants! Large-leafed indoor plants like sansevieria or peace lilies release moisture into the air through a process called transpiration. It's nature's way of humidifying and cooling a room at the same time. Group them together for a mini forest cooling effect. Check your ceiling fan. There's a small switch on the base. In summer, the blades should rotate counterclockwise to push a breeze straight down. If it's clockwise, it's actually pulling warm air down from the ceiling, which is the last thing you want right now. If you're struggling to sleep, try the Egyptian method. Take a top sheet, dampen it with cool water, don't soak it, and use it as a blanket. As the water evaporates, it draws heat away from your body. It sounds strange, but it works wonders for those humid nights. Swap your polyester bed sheets for light-colored cotton or linen. Natural fibers are breathable and don't trap your body heat against the mattress. If you want to go a step further, look for a buckwheat pillow. They don't hold heat like foam or down. Incandescent light bulbs are basically tiny heaters. Switch to LEDs. Also, unplug electronics you aren't using. Even in standby mode, power bricks and appliances generate heat. In a heat wave, every degree matters. If you have a balcony or porch, use it. Planting deciduous trees or installing outdoor awnings prevents the sun's rays from ever hitting your window glass or wall. It's much easier to stop heat from entering than it is to get it out once it's inside. Need an instant reset? Run cold water over your wrists or ankles for 30 seconds. Your blood vessels are close to the skin there, so cooling the blood in those pulse points helps lower your overall core temperature quickly. Your stove will keep your kitchen hot for hours. On heatwave days, stick to no-cook meals, use a slow cooker, or grill outside. Not only do you stay cooler, but you save energy on your gas or electric bill too. Staying cool doesn't have to cost the earth, literally. By working with physics instead of fighting it, you can stay comfortable and keep your carbon footprint low. Which of these 10 hacks are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to The Daily Eco for more sustainable living tips. Stay cool!